To view your payment history on Curve, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app and access your transaction records easily. Step 1. Open the Curve app. Launch the Curve app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the home screen. Once the app is open, you will be directed to the home screen. This is where you can see your current balance and recent transactions. Step 3. Access the Transactions tab. Look for the Transactions tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to view a detailed list of your recent transactions. Step 4. Filter your payment history. In the Transactions section, you may have options to filter your payment history by date or type of transaction. Use these filters to find specific payments if needed. Step 5. Review transaction details. Tap on any transaction to view more details, including the date, amount, and merchant information. This will give you a comprehensive view of your payment history. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your payment history on Curve. If you have any further questions, consult the app's help section or customer support.